Okay, the process for me, with your mom, you're a bitch. Your mom's a bitch. Your dog's a bitch. Fuck Hunter. The process of me getting my eyelashes and nails done is a long one, but I'm gonna show you. Diet Pepsi. I'm gonna show you everything I carry around in my tick bag or my penis purse. This is her. Love her. Yeah. So I have a lot in here. Like, I have like pop sockets that are llamas because I love llamas. I got straws because it's like easier for me to fuck you, like drink out of like straws and stuff. And then I also have like gum, and I have my your mom. Fuck Hunter. Fuck Hunter's mom. I also have my vegan Delta 9 gummies. They really do come in handy the most when I'm getting my fuck you and your mom. When I'm getting my nails and lashes done, because I'm like out, so I'd be sleeping through that. But they are double fucks. Having a deal where you just basically pay for shipping. So that's awesome. So if you want some, click the link in my bio. Fuck off. So I get this question asked to me a lot. It's the chicken salad. D. Fuck off. Hello. I cannot drive a car. I can't. There's no way you're gonna see me scooting down the highway. I wouldn't make it out of the driveway. Okay? I wouldn't. Oof. However, there's other people with Tourette's that are willingly able and can, fuck off, hello, to drive. I myself just can't even ride a bike. Fun fact. And not because of my Tourette's. It's just because I can't. I've tried, haven't succeeded. So, woohoo, want it up. There's your answer. That was my face when I read that comment. And I want you guys to answer this because pew pew. That's from reading the firearms comment. Would any of you trust me with a firearm? Okay. Better yet, how about a sharp object? Okay. And I don't mean this in a rude way, like for you asking this question. I just think it's actually funny because pencil, coconut patties. I just think it's really funny because it would not end well. No, because I get a very strong urge to hurt my fuck off. Hopefully no one didn't screenshot that. Anyways, I get a really strong urge to hurt myself, and I would like never. Like, sometimes it's hard to use like metal forks and like things like that, so I don't like my hair. Meow. Dusty rolls. No one's home right now in my house, and I still have to eat food, but I'm gonna show you guys how I eat boobies food. Wind it up. You're done. You're done. I'm gonna show you guys how I eat food safely when I'm alone. I made a turkey burger. It's right there. This is the turkey burger. You're done. You're done. It's a turkey burger. So after I've successfully, boobies. You're done. You're done. I don't like the name Mike. After, dino hands. Cut it up and everything. Yeah. Penis. Yeah. It's not the hardest sing-along. What do you gotta say? Family Feud. Shut the fuck up. It's not like the hardest up top Girl Scout thing to do, but like I have to learn how to like fuck your mom. We were registered to sex offender. I have to learn Tootsie Rolls. 'Tis the season. I have to learn to do stuff by myself in order to help me later on. And like when I was, hey, shove that up your ass. You're done. And when I lived in Morgantown, because I'm trying to like sublease it now, like whatever. When I lived in Morgantown or WVU, I'd always have like plastic silverware and stuff because it's just more safe in a way. So yeah. Want it up? Yes, this is my meal for 2:22, waking up an hour ago. Listen. I know, okay? I don't know how I have one sock on. I mean, I only put one sock on before going to bed. And then I just, fuck you, bitch. Like, I also projectile vomited, like, before I took a nap. Literally woke up. Hi guys, I'm so excited to share with you where I am right now. Woohoo! I'm currently buck hunter. Oof! At the Harper's Ferry Brewery in Virginia. I'm here with my family. Oof! Want it up! For my brother's fuck hunter baseball event. Go fuck yourself. Fuck that hoe, Priscilla. And the owners, JR and Holly, they're so sweet, and I just love how fuck off. Basically just how nice everyone is and accepting of me and my condition. I really love it here. Oof, woohoo! And Harper's Ferry is so beautiful, and I just thought I would share, go fuck yourself. I don't like the name Mike. That little positive thing that I wanted to share with you guys today. Also, oof, look how beautiful this view is. My dad carved that. Look at that. So pretty.